Yo! Yeah. This is our last day in Thailand, and look, who are those brats? Hi! Uh-oh, the camera's following you. What's that says?
No.
Oh. Oh. Look what you wrote. Isn't it fabulous? What are you doing? Your hair is black. I don't think it's gonna... It doesn't even show when I do it.
Only for the Barbie.
Yeah. And you have to have blonde hair.
Huh?
Yeah. So it can see the color. It sucks, right?
The black
Yeah.
one too hard.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah.
I saw blue on this. I have a Barbie that has blonde hair. Yeah, and this color brown. Why?
I don't know, she's camera shy. I love mini glasses. Don't you think it's beautiful? Yo. Hey. It's not. It's beautiful, I think. I personally think it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna make another video. Bye-bye.
Here's the highlight.
Oh,
The
God.
girl put the highlight. The girl here, she put highlight.
Yeah, and she's blonde, right?
Oh yeah, because it is blonde.
Yeah, and it can shows more.
Oh, the cover!
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Cover!